Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to set up a stabilization on your Sony ZV-E10. First, I'll show you how to enable the active stabilization. First, go to the menu settings, find the camera settings, then we have to find stabilization settings. In this camera, they call it a steady shot. So you're choosing the steady shot option. Now I'll choose an active one, so this option will crop the edges of the video and will reduce the shake by shifting the image within the frame. So it works like this. There is also an option of standard stabilization, so let's choose it. Here you go. And this type of stabilization will help reduce shaking optical steady shot of assassin in the lens. Now, if we will turn off the stabilization, this will allow you to use built-in gyroscope for stabilization in post-processing with Catalyst Browse. You may need to crop the frames a bit during the editing. Some additional tips: for super smooth video, consider using a gimbal or try to walk smoothly as you are carrying a full glass of water to minimize the shake. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.